knew I'd cut out on me. What's good, guys? I'm back with another video. So don't ask me what I'm going to talk about, because I'm going to fucking Scooby-Doo. Off for a little ride. I just finished work off a night shift, so I figured I'd go for a little ride and enjoy it. I'm trying to see if I'm recording. I think I am. I have a feeling I'm gonna hit the red light. Look. Yes, past it. I'm gonna be going to Risca, so let's see what's about and let's have some fun. I'm in work Friday now, so this will be the video for this week. I'll probably edit it tomorrow, which is Thursday. Oh man, I got a really bad stomach today. Oh, I have been farting like a trooper, and I'm ill. No, I haven't got the corona. I got these glasses on here, and they're matte black. Obviously I've been using them for work as well, and you know, I work on a railway, and you work up a sweat. All the fucking matte black is just peeling off. So they're just going back to normal plastic. I need to get a new clear visor as well, because the one I got is all like smudged and I'd say like scratches of where it's fell and that. Get down when the whistle blows. Whee! Oh man, traffic. That's nice. Probably a boy racer though. I'm gonna hit all the filtering sections. Well, I call them filtering sections, but I know exactly where they are. So yeah, I put up a new intro. My brother wanted something a bit more quicker and heavier, so I was just wondering what you guys think. I'll include that at the start of the video, and hopefully nothing happens, fingers crossed, bad. So, and now I'm stuck behind the bloody lorry. I think the tyres are warmed up enough now to banky wanky. Yeah. So if you're gonna hear me coughing a lot because I'm full up with the flu, not coronavirus, I swear. Just chilling. It's chill vibes today, but we'll see what happens, if there's anything good for a random ride, but yeah. The good thing about this bike, it can pull. I'm not gonna lie, it can pull, and it's really good. I must catch up with the bike. Shall give him a wave if he notices me. Ah, oh, fucking traffic. I could have took that then. Now I'm gonna fucking pass him until I get to lights. If the lights change to red, I'm dying so hard right now. It's unreal. Yesterday, I was bloody fine. And now my throat is sore as hell, like I've been sucking dick. Not that I do that, I got misses, I swear. I'm not gay. I think everyone's getting I can fucking barely talk with this bloody cough. I think everyone's getting this flu. Is going round everywhere. Doesn't matter where you're fucking from. I'm only on a 125. I can overtake, but it's screaming like, because you got to hold the hold the revs a bit longer before you change. Like now. Lovely. You can see me. I'm not gonna go in front of him. He's a bigger bike. Do we have the time to listen to me cough? Fuck me. Don't fucking nod then. Just because I got L plates on. I bet as soon as I take them off, I get knocked galore. It's music as well, so I'm gonna actually fucking pause it. They probably caught it all and not me talking. That's probably what's gonna happen. Shit! Yeah, these model bikes of the Honda CBR 125s, basically most of them are all 250 parts. Like you could just literally probably just drop, I don't know if you can, like you could drop a 250 engine in. Oh, that's nice. And it'd be fucking lovely. Crack-a-lackin', smack-a-lackin'. You know, they need to sort those patches out on the road. They're baby potholes. Oh, fuck me. But yeah, I've been riding to Feedconn to get picked up. Been working in North Wales and good couple of days. Worked on Saturday and Sunday and Monday and Tuesday. Oh fuck no. What is with it today? I don't want to filter over here because it's a tight fucking roundabout. Yeah, it's a really tight ass roundabout and it's double white, so I gotta be a good boy. Here we go. Slow down a bit, it'll die down. I should have done my strap up, it keeps going under my ass. It's fucking annoying me. We're going to do 50 all the way away, boys. The joys of having short hair. It's fucking itchy as fuck. I had a mock chop since the last video. Yeah, since the last video I had a mock chop. I'm bold as hell. It's gonna change in a minute. Lovely. A bit for me. Bike. Is he on L plates? No, he's not. That was a bit risky. Keep your eye on the lights, boy. It's filter time. Hello. What's he dodging? Where the fuck is he dodging then? Why is he coming out like that? I do the same as him. Oh, see, they've moved over already. What a legend. Lovely stuff. Give him a cute little wave. Wow, this probably built up like fuck. I'm riding over crap. Let's see if I could squeeze through wheel. Yes, I can. Yeah, boy. Ah, does there appear to be lights? It appears so. Straight to 30 and then there, yeah, leave it enough to take out the roundabout, take on a roundabout. I reckon some cars probably do it 0 to 60 or whatever you call it. Innit? No, it'd be less than 60. Don't take that long to pull off. I knew I'd cut out on me. I didn't. Gonna do it again. It's done that to me a few times on junctions. So that's it for this video, guys. Have a little bit.